Hey everybody, welcome back to another grilling video, and this one is the first one since we've been back here after Hurricane Ian. Things are a few things are broken, right? The drawers don't open and close, but the grill comes on, it's getting hot. So we're gonna go ahead and do us some PFChangs Lettuce Wraps. These are gonna be chicken lettuce wraps. Really good, really simple, really easy to make. Go ahead and start by getting a little oil on the surface. I've got my 2 middle burners on low. With our griddle nice and hot, we're just gonna go ahead and get our ground chicken right on here. Notice, peel that paper off. We definitely don't want to cook that in there. Just gonna go ahead and break this up, spread it out a little bit. All I have on here is a little bit of adobo seasoning. I like it, it's just a nice simple seasoning to use. I'm going to keep turning this fairly quick. Spreading this apart. Get this just a bit thin. It'll help us get it nice and cooked through. And then we'll mix this all right up. This is just ground chicken from the store. I am a fan of toasted ginger. I'm just going to go ahead and put some of that right in here. And toasted garlic mixed together. That garlic moving around a little bit. Our chicken's almost done. We're going to flip these little pieces over and then we're going to tear it up into small pieces again. As soon as we break this stuff up, we're going to go ahead and season it as well. I'm going to put my garlic on top of some of this chicken because I don't want this to scorch on the griddle. Just going to start breaking this up, making sure it's cooked all the way through.
Over here. Yeah, right here. Hey, do me a favor. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more like it, subscribe to the channel and click on that little bell notification so you get notified of new videos. Thanks.
Break these up both ways here, so there's small chunks. Now, if you like this Asian flavors, go ahead and add in a little bit of garlic and onion, a little bell pepper. It's always a real good mix as well. I'm going to spread this out a little bit, and then we're going to go in with equal parts of soy sauce, oyster sauce, hoisin sauce, and a little bit of teriyaki. And we're just going to heat this up. We don't have to go crazy here. Mix it up. Gosh, it smells phenomenal. This smells amazing. We're just gonna go ahead and put this in a bowl. My wife has all of the lettuce prepped and ready to go in the house, and that's gonna be it. We're gonna place this in and have delicious Chinese lettuce wraps. These are a lot like what you get at PF Chang. Add a little pineapple if you want to get a little crazy, but this is the way we like it. I can't wait. I'm going to try a little piece of it. The flavor is amazing. You can still taste the chicken, all that soy and teriyaki and hoisin sauce. Let me go prep one of these. We'll come out and give it a shot. And just like that, we have our dish. Now I gotta tell you, this thing cooked up in about 3 or 4 minutes. It was so darn quick. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a shot. I love this time of year. It's kind of neat. The sun's setting. It looks like I have my little partner right back here in the shadows, and we'll just roll up this nice little lettuce wrap, just like that. Time to give him a shot. That's really good. The lettuce on the outside is so nice and thin and crisp and fresh, and then you just get the flavor of that nice Asian chicken. A little bit of rice in the bottom of it's how we made them. These things are really good. Hope you give them a shot. They are quick and easy. They can be done in about 4 minutes out here on your Blackstone. Bye, y'all. Safe and happy grilling. Bye, buddy.